Welcome back to another beading tutorial. Today we're making these gorgeous brick stitch triangle hoops. Grab your tools listed in the description and let's get started. At the end of your thread, tie a simple overhand knot 2 or 3 times to secure. Pick up 1 gold bead and 1 white bead. Then from behind the hoop, thread through like this to get the beads into position. Next, pass up through the white bead and pull tight. Then, like a starting row stitch in brick stitch, thread down through the first bead and back up through the second bead to finish the stitch. Pick up another bead and pass your needle through the hoop, then pass up through the new bead. Continue adding beads one at a time following the pattern. 1 gold, 3 white, 1 gold, etc. When you get to the end of your hoop, reverse directions using a starting row stitch. This row should have 1 gold, 2 white, and 1 gold. Reverse again for the 3rd row, which will have 1 gold, 1 white, and 1 gold. Add the 4th row with just a starting row stitch with 2 gold beads. For the last row, pick up 1 gold bead, pass through the thread bridge from back to front, then thread up through the bead. Pass down through the bead below to finish the triangle. Then thread down and over through 1 bead at a time until your thread comes up through the bottom gold bead on the left. From here, begin a new starting row stitch as before and create another triangle. Repeat until you reach the other end of your hoop. Weave through your beads to create a knotless tie-off for both threads, then trim off the excess. Repeat for a pair and enjoy your beautiful pair of hoops. If you enjoyed this tutorial, check out this other tutorial where I teach you how to make wire-wrapped hoop earrings. It's another fun one for beginners. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.